In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some 2024 niches that I'm starting to upload in to get ready for the next year. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the first niche that I have for you for 2024 is going to be promoted to daddy 2024. Now, if you've been on Merch for several years, you have probably seen this niche do well every year. Promoted to dad, promoted to mom, to aunt, uncle. It does well every year. But if we just do a quick search for promoted to daddy 2024 on Amazon, we're going to see there's already a lot of competition, 5,000 results. If I go to the third page, we're going to see that there's already 5,000 results as well. So this niche is kind of already too competitive. And so what I would recommend you do, like I always do, is to cross niche it. So what are some of the best niches on Merch by Amazon? Well, there's a bunch, but probably in my opinion, the top three are going to be video games, aliens, and Bigfoot. You can basically just take any niche, cross niche it with one of those niches. As long as you got a good design, you got a pretty good chance to get a sale. But if we cross niche this promoted to daddy 2024 with video games, there's a phrase, there's actually two phrases I'm going to show you, which is leveled up to daddy 2024. And this is what the designs look like right here. We're basically taking daddy, someone becoming a new daddy in 2024 and cross niching it with video games like this. And we're going to see that the competition is low. Right now there's only 343 results. And if we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 343 results. And if we look at some of these designs, we're going to see like this one right here. Let's see, when was it uploaded? So it was uploaded in April. We're going to see it says 2024 right here underneath the controller. And it's already selling. It already has a BSR. All three of these right here are all 2024. And they're already getting sales. Now they don't have crazy prices, but they're already getting sales, they're ranked, and they're making money. All right, now the second phrase that I have for you, which is also promoted to daddy 2024 cross niche with video games, is going to be dad level unlocked 2024. Now this one's actually lower in competition, only 117 results. If we go to the third page, we're going to see that there's also only 117 results. And when we take a look at this niche, we're going to see that like this one right here, dad level unlock established 2024. It was recently uploaded May. And look at the BSR that it has. Again, not a crazy price, but it's ranked, it's making sales, and it's making some money. So this is a good niche to get prepared for because it's going to sell well all during next year and even right now. And if we go and take a look at some of the competition on the other platforms, like for Etsy, I couldn't even find one that says 2024, only 500 results. If we go to Redbubble, there's only one, which is this one right here. This one is for last year. And if we go to TeePublic, I'm not seeing anything either for 2024. So a really good niche. You want to plan ahead for merch, because every year we see the same niches do well. And so if you could just plan ahead and get some designs ranked, you got a good shot to make some money. And right now, there's 6-7 months before 2024. So this is a good time to get those designs up, in my opinion. Okay, so the second 2024 niche that I am getting ready for next year is going to be retirement 2024. Now, again, if you were on Merch last year, you probably saw this one shirt, retirement for 2023. It's basically like a retro colors, sunset on the beach, and it had a ridiculous BSR. I think it was like under 10,000, but it did really, really well. And these shirts just do well pretty much every year. It is kind of competitive, I will admit, like we're going to see 1,000 results, but I wasn't really finding too many of the one that I'm talking about. A lot of the ones that are up right now are basically for retired teachers that are going to be retiring at the end of this school year. But the ones that I'm talking about are the ones that are kind of more like this kind of style right here, where you see basically they're on a beach. It's got a retro. Let me see, I think I saw one right down here. Where did it go? Yeah, so something like this. So basically you want to make a design like this that says retirement 2024, not my problem anymore. You can just go to Merch or Amazon and just type in like officially retired 2023 to kind of see what other designs did well last year. Basically all you have to do is just change out the year. So you can come into Amazon right here, you scroll down and you can, well, this is for teacher. Let's see if I can find one that's just for retirement. And I think I did find one. Where was it? So something like this right here. So you would make a design like this. You would find designs like this that did well for 2023. And you would just make something similar, and then you would just switch out basically the year. All right. So that's the second niche that I'm going to be focusing on, and that I've already started to upload for 2024. A lot of people are searching for like retirement gifts. That's a big keyword on Amazon and all the POD sites. If we go to Etsy, we're going to see that competition is low for this as well. I'm only seeing 825 results. If we go to Redbubble, you can actually get some good ideas. So again, this is the type of style that I'm talking about. Retired 2024, not my problem anymore. So making t-shirts like this. Let's see if I can find another one. Same thing, so right here. And we're going to see barely any competition because we're getting in early. It's only 54 results. And so if you can get like some of those early bird sales and you can get it ranked, you could have a t-shirt that could do very well for all of next year. So that's kind of like the idea. And if we go to TeePublic, I'm not really seeing anything for 2024. Oh, officially retired. So that's another thing. You can cross niche it with fishing. Do something like this, and you just put in 2024. This is one right here. So I think you guys get the idea. That's the second niche. And the third niche that I have for you for 2024 is going to be girls trip. So every year we also see these girls trip t-shirts that sell very well. So like something like this right here, something where it's like you're going to Jamaica or to Miami or to Las Vegas. Let me see if I can find one. So something like this, and you can see someone is already doing it. So like a Jamaica girls trip 2024. Let's take a look at the competition. We're going to see it looks kind of already competitive. That's probably because I'm using girls trip, so there's a lot of other ones. I didn't really see any other ones that are specific just to 2024. But if you look at some of the BSRs for girls trip 2023, you're going to see some of them are selling very well, and you can use all of the major cities. You can do like Bahamas, all like the popular, like vacation spots like Cancun, Cabo, things like that. Another thing that you can also do is you can do it for cruises. So girls gone cruising, and just add in the year 2024. If you just do like family cruise, search for that. 2023, you'll get some ideas, and again, all you have to do is just switch out the year. So that's the third niche. It's girls trip 2024. Competition on all the other websites is very low. Etsy under 1,000. Redbubble, you can see only 12 results, and you can make something like this. Here's some other ones. This looks like that one from merch. And if we go to TeePublic, I think there's just one right here. So Ladies Vacation 2024. So that's the third niche that I have for you. And then the fourth and final niche that I have for you guys is Year of the Dragon 2024. So once January hits, the new Chinese New Year is going to be the Year of the Dragon, which I think is actually going to be a really big niche because dragons are just freaking cool. It's a big symbol of China. When you look at China on the map, it resembles a dragon. So I think it could be really popular, this niche for next year. This year, it was the Year of the Rabbit for 2023, and I did get some sales, but let's just be honest. What would you rather wear? A dragon shirt or a rabbit shirt? Me personally, I'd way rather go with a dragon shirt. And this is also a really cool niche because of the timing. So usually this starts to trend, or this starts to sell in January, and January is probably like the worst or the least amount of sales, at least during the year, is in January, in the month of January. And so, it's good because you can get a lot of sales. It's right after Christmas, so Christmas we have that high of all these sales, and then it kind of drops off. And if you're able to get into a niche like this, it will keep your sales still going high or still going, and you won't see that big of a drop off. So Year of the Dragon 2024, we're going to see there's only 224 results. If we click on the third page, we're going to see at the time of this recording, there's still only 224 results. And if we look at some of the designs, we're going to see, I think I saw a couple that were actually selling. So this one right here, Year of the Dragon 2024, is actually uploaded. Look at this, in 2022. You can see it is selling. So that's what they look like. If we go to Etsy, competition is very low. You can see they just have the rabbit ones. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see only 80 results. And if we go to TeePublic, we are going to see that there actually is some results here. So that is the fourth niche that I have for you. The idea is to get these designs up early so that you can hopefully get some sales and then get them ranked, and then have some sellers to get you sales basically for the rest of the 2024 year, because we've seen over the years, every year, that these niches do well. Sorry about the noise from upstairs. But yeah, those are the four niches I wanted to share with you. Now, if you're looking for a place to get designs, like maybe you're not really the best at designing, or you just don't have the time, or you don't want to spend the money on paying a designer, you might want to consider checking out this website right here called Fabrica. This is probably the best resource for print-on-demand designers. They got a whole bunch of stuff, not just designs, but fonts, graphics. They have AI. They even have courses and a whole POD section. What you can do is you can just type in like 2024, for example. And let's go ahead and type that in, and then you can just go to their POD section. So just wait for this to load. My internet's a little slow. And what I would recommend that you do is scroll down here, click on print on demand. That's going to give you the special license so that you can just upload the design right away. You don't have to make any changes to it. And then you can just click on t-shirt designs, and we're going to see, look at this, there's a whole bunch of designs already that you can just download. And so what you do, you just click on it, you're going to download it. You can take a look at the license just to double check to make sure, but it's going to say, it says commercial use and POD license available, or something along to that fence, along those lines. So commercial and full POD usage allowed. So all you would have to do is just download this, and you can just upload it right onto Merch by Amazon and any of the other print-on-demand platforms. Now, if you want to sign up to Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in my description. So you just go to my YouTube video, or the bottom of this video, you'll see it. There is my favorite POD tools, and right here where it says Fabrica, this is an affiliate link right here. So if you do sign up using my affiliate link, I do get a small commission. But like I was saying, you know, it's a really good resource. It gives a whole bunch of value, and I believe they have a promotion right now where it's only $59 for the year. It only breaks down to $4.99 a month, and honestly, for the value that you get, that's a pretty damn good deal in my opinion. So this is a good spot to get lots of graphics. And then if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or on Redbubble, I have a couple courses that you might want to take a look at. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or Redbubble. So this is the Merch by Amazon for Beginners course that I have, Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide for Mastering Merch by Amazon. It is over an hour of content. You're going to see some of the course content, so how to cross niche, how to niche down, how to scale your designs, how to find trending niches, steal my best evergreen niches, how to check for trademarks, how to keep your account safe, how to hire designers, whole bunch of good stuff here. You see it's pretty long, and if you scroll down you can take a look at, let me just move my face here, you can look at my profile. I have other courses as well on about Fiverr, YouTube, and Upwork, but this one right here you can see some of the reviews, and I also have one for, oh look at this, so I have the price at $19.99, but they do these deals where it breaks down to only $9 or $10 for the course. And here's my one for Redbubble. So Redbubble Masterclass Step-by-Step Guide for Mastering Redbubble. This is basically same idea, hour worth of content. You can check out the reviews at the bottom here, 4.7 course rating. And here's the price. Now, one of the cool things about Udemy is that if you don't like the course, you can just basically return it and get your money back, so no risk. Now, if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment. But that is basically going to be the video for today. Those are the 4 niches that I recommend you guys get prepared for. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel. Where did it go? Right here. Subscribe to my channel. I basically put out videos on a regular basis talking about trending niches, niche ideas, low competition, evergreen niches, things like that. Just hey, what's up, guys? Oh, sorry about that. Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a video today sharing videos on a regular basis to get hopefully to get you guys some sales on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. All right, so this video is getting too long. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.